Juan, he was from Spain. My love for her was just the same. Never loved her, oh no, no. He had a needle and a dough. She told him, I'll go where you go. They found him dead a week ago. She loved the wrong one, so did I. So please forgive me if I cry. Girl, why did you do that? Couldn't you have cried? Couldn't you have come to me? Girl, you wanted to fly just a little while. All you did was die tonight. Somebody said that she was right. I felt alone there and I cried. Most people say that she was wrong.